want to use the area command to find the total area of this gasket. So that will be the outside area with the holes subtracted. I've got this drawn up in AutoCAD, and the outside line has been done as a polyline. So of course we could select that and right click, go to properties, and that will give us the outside area and the circumference of that line, but of course it won't give us the area of the gasket with the holes subtracted. So to do that, we will use the pull down here on the home menu, under utilities, pull down and get the area command. Now we first of all have to go into add mode. We click on add area, and then we tell it we're going to add objects. We've clicked on that. We've added the outside object, and you'll notice that the area it comes up with is 9524. Okay, we finished adding, so we press the enter key, and now we're going into subtract area mode. We click on that, and we click on object. We're going to subtract objects, and we subtract each one of these circles in turn, and you notice it's giving us the area of that object that's being subtracted, and it's subtracting it off the total area. So we've got a running total of our answer there. As I take off each one of these circles, there's the size of the circle, and it's taking it off the total. So we'll just finish that off and arrive at our grand total of the area.